Okay? Can you get your hands?
Please.
Okay?
And you're sick.
I know, but I don't want him to hurt anybody, okay?
He's not killing anybody.
David?
I break my hand, hey. Hey,
You have to be careful.
Stop.
It's sick.
Back up.
It's sick.
I know.
Hey, what is going on? I'm not gonna hurt no one. Hey, what is like? Hey, bro. Hey, stop it. Hey, I'm not gonna hurt
He
you.
has autism. He has epileptic.
Stop it.
You need to put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
I'm not hurting no one.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not hurting no
Put your
one.
hands behind your back.
Hey, bro.
You have to.
Okay, hold on.
Bro.
Hold on. Look, this is how you.
Bro, please. Okay. Hey, hurt his back. Hurt his
I
back.
know, but you're not helping.
Okay.
Bro,
Okay.
please. I'm not
Put your
hurting
hands
you.
behind your back.
I know that.
You have to put your hands behind your back.
Please.
Okay, calm down. Look at him.
Hey, bro.
Put your hands behind your back. I'm not hurting you. We have to get his hands behind his back. Okay?
Hey, I swear.
Okay, calm down. Look, he's not trying to.
5 George 22, units code 3.
Look, everything's fine.
It's okay. Go. Bro. Bro, let me go. I swear to God.
David.
He's trying to help you.
No. Help you.
He's trying to help you.
We're gonna help you. Okay, yeah. He's trying to help you.
It's okay. He's gonna help you. He's gonna help you.
He's dead, bro.
No, but
Help you.
It's okay. I'm not even getting you.
I know we're going to try to get him help. He's not in trouble now.
Oh, my hand, oh, my God.
Okay.
What the?
Yes. Let's get him outside to the ambulance. Back up, back up, back up. Back up. Let's go this way.
Nah. Why am I going to jail?
You're not going to jail. We're going to get you help in an ambulance.
Yeah, there's no reason for you to put me in handcuffs.
Okay.
Or is it? Give me a good reason. Take him out, please, right now. I'm not hurting no one. I'm only hurting my damn self because I can't. There's a foot. This is a tie. Hey! Eso, bro. Ah, bro, you better get the. I'm not even doing
Let's
it.
get him inside the car.
No, I'm not getting inside your car. Take it off. Take the off, bro. My leg. Ah, what the? Ah!
You're hitting his head.
Don't-
You're
don't-
not
you have to back up.
No.
Back up, back up.
He's hitting his head. He's gonna
Go
get
to that
more
side.
seizures if you guys don't.
Okay, he's having a seizure. Let's bring him aside. Bring him outside, okay? Recovery position, we're fine. Okay, we have an ambulance on the way.
Have him lay on his side.
5 George 22. We had the civic detained. We're gonna need an ambulance, code 3.
He's sick.
David?
No, they're gonna take it off, Montaneta.
5 George 22. We need more units to control the family.
You are making him way more mad than he needs to
No.
Look,
No. Code 3 now. I need a supervisor.
David?
Let me out here, dude, I swear.
You're fine.
No, they're pushing my button, dude.
Okay,
I don't
look,
like
you're
when
fine.
they put-
You're
No, I don't
fine.
like
You're
when they
fine.
pushing
Look,
my
you're
damn-
scaring Mac. You're scaring Mac.
What's all this for? Let me go, I swear. I'm not hurting no one, bro. I swear to God, dude.
Okay.
Let me go.
Yeah, estás.
Let me go,
Look,
man.
Juan Carlos is
Ah,
the
what
one
the
with-
f*** are you pressing my hand like that? Take
I'm
out my
not
hand.
touching your hands,
David?
okay?
No, take them off. Please. These hurt. Just grab my hand. I'm not gonna hurt no one.
Yeah.
Just don't leave. Take it off my hand, bro. What the f***? You better take it off. They hurt.
Look, you're fine. Look, okay, come on. You need to calm down because if you get dizzy, David,
We have an ambulance on the way for him, okay? We know. We have an ambulance on the way.
Oh, don't let me out.
Your freaking mom out.
No, don't let me out.
Your freaking mom out. Relax.
Go. Get me up.
No.
Get me up right now, I swear.
Can you get her back?
You're fine.
Hey, don't come put your
No, why am I going to jail? I didn't do nothing.
You're not going to jail. You will not go to jail.
Well, take them off
We
me,
cannot.
bro.
We cannot do
Why?
that.
Why? I'm not hurting no one. I'm just hurting myself. Because I don't know how to control it.
I know, and we're gonna get you an
Then why
ambulance.
you have to put me
We
in
have
the
help coming on the way, okay? Because I can't let you hurt yourself or anyone else.
Well, you could grab me, no?
Okay?
There's no reason for you to put these.
Listen,
David?
listen. Lee, keep her back.
Hey, bro, let me just
No,
get up.
you cannot.
I'm sitting down in my throat. Let me back up.
You're not in your vomit.
Yes, I
You are
am.
not
You
touching
better
it.
let me back up.
You are not touching it.
Bro, let me get up. Hey, watch out. You're stepping on me.
We don't want you to kick us, okay?
I'm not going to kick you. I'm not that stupid. I know how to talk.
To make sure you're
I'm
not
not that stupid.
To make sure you're not going to
I'm not that stupid.
Okay?
Dude.
No.
Bro. Hey, what the?
My
Hey.
fucking shoulders hurt.
Dog, my shoulders are hurting. Take these handcuffs off me, please. No, I'm not sitting in my phone, bro. Hey,
Stand up.
ah,
There we go.
ah.
Sit down, sit down.
There we go. Don't get up.
What the f? What am I didn't do?
Security. We can get back.
No, I'm not telling them to take it off
Oh,
me.
you want them? They're not gonna. I told them not to
Take
take
me,
it
I
off.
swear to God, watch it. You're gonna have to swallow.
David,
I'm gonna make you.
mira, you're
I'm gonna make you lose your job, bro. I don't know why you're harassing.
You're fine.
You guys are harassing.
Rodney, I got him. If you want to step out, you want to talk to her. I don't know what you want to do.
Okay. Well, they don't want to talk to me.
Okay.
I'll tell you that right now. They're not going to talk to me.
Second EMS for you.
No, I'm okay.
Bro, why are you harassing
We
me?
just need a supervisor out here to deal with mom.
And that guy, he's pushing.
like I'm trying to tell you
Go
what's
ahead.
going on.
Yeah, we understand, but we can't let him be loose inside there fighting with you guys, okay?
I'm not gonna hit you.
I don't want you spitting on me. You just spit right now.
I'm spinning that way, but I can't spin
I don't know what your
north.
intent is when you turn around.
We know. And we're going to get him help. We have an ambulance on the way, okay?
But take it off me. I'm not. Bro, just take it off me right now.
We're gonna call Kaylin.
Going for you.
No.
We're gonna call Kaylin, and she's gonna talk.
But,
Like Dr. David
no.
will be on his way.
Are you with Clapper? We're code 4. Thank you.
Bro, that's hella impressive.
My
You
hand's
need
nowhere
a
near your throat, man.
You need a
Just
break.
don't stand up.
Okay,
Don't stand up.
you think I'm that stupid? How many are they? There's a lot of cooks. I don't need you guys to push my damn blood. I'm not that stupid, just a
Okay, look.
officer. You think I want to end up just in jail? What the fuck? What time to take the off me?
Figured it was best to clear him.
Yeah.
Dile
Just
que
in
me
case.
quiten esta puta. Ah, yo ni le estoy haciendo nada.
You understand.
Look, you need to focus and relax. You're not
What
going
do you want me to
anywhere.
relax? They have on me. You're like a
I'm not sure. I think it might be mom or the restaurant. He was actively fighting with them and
The restaurant.
the family. They were in the bathroom.
Nothing's wrong. Nothing's wrong. We're trying to help you. We're
How
all
are they trying to help me? They have me.
Look, your seizures have you acting a little bit crazy, okay? You need to.
Okay, well, just I'm off and I'll just sit in the car.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what's going on with him.
Well, he has epilepsy, he has autism, he don't act like that. He don't want to hit you and you came and you hit in the head.
I did not hit him.
Yes, I see when you push it.
No,
okay,
no.
I asked for help, not for you. I can't calm my son. You need to take it to the hospital so that way they can control it.
He's going to the hospital.
Yes,
We have an
but
ambulance
you
here.
have to be very careful. He has autism and then he has epilepsy. Iglesia.
Okay,
He
but
was in
he's
the
fighting with
hospital.
you.
No, he was not
Fighting
fighting.
with her.
No, he was
We
not
get
fighting.
911 calls.
Yes.
Listen.
He was not fighting with me. You know,
What
he
happened
tried.
today? Could you tell me what happened
Okay,
today?
he went to the restaurant and he don't respond. So I tried to open the door and he don't know how to open the door. He started hitting himself. He don't hit nobody.
Okay.
No, he's not gonna hit you, and you came here and you put in there. That's
He's not in trouble. He's not in trouble. Okay.
Yeah, but you know, you don't supposed to hit. You know, he has brain damage.
I did not hit him.
Yes, I see you.
No.
I have a picture.
No, I never hit him.
And
Okay.
you push it. You push it. If you came and talked to him like that, he's gonna come down.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, may I speak to the social worker?
Doug, she's not going to talk to me.
You might give him journey with restraints. His shoulder hurts, that's why I relieved him. His RB, so we're start talking to staff.
Bro, you said what you
stuff.
can't do.
Everything else. He's trying to stand up.
You're hurting my
Okay, what's gonna happen? We're gonna help you stand up.
Yeah.
You talk to Sarge.
Yeah.